foreign players have actually been the ones depressing cement prices in the Philippines. However, we take it as a slight positive that they indeed raised prices in the first quarter of 2018. Although technically, I would advise investors to wait for signs of reversal before going back into the cement players.
All right, so if we talk about a sign of reversal, I just want to bring up, expand the charts to show you a one-year chart of the likes of Eagle, Cemex, and Holcim. When you talk about a reversal, what sort of levels are you looking at for these particular stocks?
Well, basically what we're looking at for Eagle is its support. So hopefully, now that it's going down by a bit, since its high of around 16.4 earlier this year, hopefully at around this area, around 15.8, 15.7, we are expecting prices to stop at those levels. We expect support at those levels and hopefully consolidate between the 15.7 to 16.4 range.
And it is within that particular level. What about the likes of Cemex and Holcim, which have seen their margins really get hammered over the last year and a half?
Yeah. For Cemex, we actually haven't generated coverage for it yet.
Okay.
So we think it has really been affected. Holcim in particular, I think one of the reasons why they are experiencing little earnings growth is because of their license, the license they have to pay considering they're a foreign brand. So I think that's one thing. They tend to be more expensive when it comes to producing, manufacturing the cement as compared to local players like Eagle. So in that regard, we believe that Eagle is more poised to quickly reverse its downtrend than the other cement players.
Expanding this infrastructure theme we're on right now, Robert, some analysts have been critical of the Build, Build, Build program. They're saying it hasn't really taken off. That's at least some of the analysts we've spoken to in the Metro Manila region. Given the fact that you're from Davao, is the same sentiment being shared by other cities and regions in the Philippines? Are you guys sharing the same cynical sentiment with regards to progress on the Build, 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 given you are a Davao resident?
Actually, no, because we have actually in the Davao region, we have 10 key infrastructure projects. So these usually include port modernizations, transport modernizations, and then some bypass roads that allow for easier access to different locations. So I think that's amounting to about 94 billion pesos worth of projects. So definitely, the Build, Build, Build initiative is on the rise in our area in Davao.
So there's no sign of it slowing down. You're actually seeing shovels being actually
Yes.
hitting the ground at the moment
Yes.
in Davao.